Welcome to Renovation X, your go-to channel for transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary dream workplaces. If you're in Dubai and looking to revamp your office flooring, you've come to the right place. The right flooring is more than just a design choice, it impacts productivity, aesthetics, and even employee well-being. So, whether you're setting up a brand new workspace or upgrading your current office, we've got you covered with the best office flooring ideas that blend style, durability, and functionality. And trust me, this is not just another generic flooring video. We're diving deep into game-changing materials, budget considerations, maintenance tips, and expert insights to help you make the right choice for your office space. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started. Before we jump into the best flooring options, let's talk about why flooring is such a crucial part of any office design. Your office flooring plays a massive role in first impressions, durability, acoustics, and comfort. In a fast-paced business hub like Dubai, where style meets functionality, having the right flooring can set your workplace apart. The moment a client, partner, or employee walks into your office, the flooring is one of the first things they notice. It defines the ambience of the space, whether it's modern and sleek, warm and inviting, or luxurious and high-end. High-quality flooring enhances the professional image of your business, making a lasting impression on visitors and employees alike. Beyond aesthetics, office flooring significantly impacts the workspace's durability. Offices in Dubai experience constant foot traffic, movement of office furniture, and varying indoor climates due to air conditioning. Choosing a flooring material that withstands wear and tear while maintaining its appearance over time is crucial. A poorly chosen flooring option can lead to frequent repairs, unexpected costs, and an unprofessional look over time. Acoustics are another vital aspect of office flooring. In an open-plan office, co-working, or shared workspace, sound absorption is essential to reduce noise levels and maintain a productive work environment. Hard surfaces like polished concrete or porcelain tiles can cause echoes and amplify sounds, while carpet tiles or acoustic luxury vinyl flooring help minimize distractions by absorbing sound and creating a quieter atmosphere. Comfort is equally important for employees who spend long hours working. Ergonomic office furniture is crucial, but flooring also plays a key role in employee well-being. Hard surfaces can lead to discomfort and fatigue, while softer flooring options like carpet tiles, rubber flooring, or luxury vinyl with underlayment provide better support and reduce strain on the legs and back. In areas where employees stand for long periods, such as reception desks or collaborative workspaces, cushioned flooring options can significantly improve comfort. Another essential factor to consider is maintenance and cleanliness. Dubai's climate, with its dust and humidity, means that office floors must be easy to clean and resistant to moisture. Some flooring materials, such as polished concrete and porcelain tiles, are incredibly low maintenance and only require occasional mopping to keep them looking pristine. Others, like carpet tiles and engineered wood, may need regular vacuuming and deep cleaning to maintain their appearance and hygiene. When choosing office flooring in Dubai, consider durability, aesthetics, maintenance, comfort, acoustics, and sustainability. Your office sees daily wear and tear, and the flooring must withstand foot traffic, office furniture movement, and Dubai's unique climate conditions. Luxury vinyl tiles have become one of the most popular choices for modern office spaces in Dubai. They are highly durable, water-resistant, affordable, and easy to maintain. Opt for acoustic luxury vinyl tiles to reduce noise and create a peaceful office environment. If noise reduction and comfort are your top priorities, carpet tiles are a fantastic option. They are soundproof, modular, stylish, and comfortable underfoot. Opt for low-pile commercial carpet tiles for a sleek and professional look that's easy to clean. Dubai is known for its luxury interiors, and if you want an office space that exudes elegance, porcelain tiles are the way to go. They are highly durable, scratch-resistant, water-resistant, and hypoallergenic. Use large-format porcelain tiles to create a seamless, modern office aesthetic. Want the warmth and beauty of real wood without the high maintenance? Engineered wood offers the perfect balance between luxury and practicality. It looks like real hardwood but is more resistant to moisture and wear, making it an environmentally friendly and long-lasting choice. Ensure it has a UV-protected coating to prevent fading due to Dubai's intense sunlight. For a chic, contemporary office, polished concrete is a stylish and low-maintenance choice. It is extremely durable, budget-friendly, and perfect for industrial or high-tech office themes. Use area rugs or textured concrete finishes to add warmth and reduce slipperiness. If your office experiences heavy foot traffic or has areas that require extra safety and comfort, rubber flooring is a fantastic option. It is slip-resistant, shock-absorbent, highly durable, and great for standing desks. Rubber flooring is excellent for gyms, breakout areas, and office lounges where comfort is a priority. Each office space has different flooring needs, so consider these combinations: main workspaces, carpet tiles or luxury vinyl tiles for comfort and noise reduction. Reception areas, polished concrete or porcelain tiles for a stunning first impression. Conference rooms, engineered wood or carpet tiles for a professional yet cozy look. Break rooms and kitchens, vinyl or rubber flooring for durability and water resistance. Hallways and high-traffic areas, porcelain tiles or polished concrete for maximum durability. Dubai's climate is another factor to keep in mind when selecting flooring. The hot and humid conditions mean that moisture-resistant and durable flooring is essential. Materials like porcelain, luxury vinyl, and engineered wood hold up well under Dubai's extreme temperatures and air conditioning fluctuations. Avoid flooring that warps or fades easily under intense sunlight. Beyond durability, it's also important to consider the maintenance requirements of each flooring type. While luxury vinyl and carpet tiles are relatively easy to clean, materials like polished concrete and porcelain tiles require specialized cleaning to maintain their sheen. Engineered wood needs occasional refinishing, while rubber flooring benefits from regular deep cleaning to prevent wear and tear. Another crucial factor is the impact of flooring on branding and workspace aesthetics. Your office flooring should complement your brand identity. A modern tech startup may opt for polished concrete or engineered wood for a sleek, contemporary vibe, while a high-end corporate office might prefer luxurious porcelain tiles or carpet tiles in muted tones for a sophisticated look. If you're investing in office flooring, hiring experienced professionals is key. Skilled installers ensure that your flooring is laid correctly, minimizing issues like uneven surfaces, gaps, or premature wear. Poor installation can drastically reduce the lifespan of your flooring, leading to unnecessary repair costs. Budgeting for flooring is another essential step. While flooring materials range from budget-friendly to high-end luxury options, setting aside funds for quality materials and installation is a wise decision. Consider long-term costs as well. Cheaper options may seem appealing initially, but they often wear out faster and require frequent replacements. Investing in durable flooring now can save money in the long run. Think about how flooring interacts with furniture and office layout. If you have rolling chairs and heavy desks, choose flooring that resists scuff marks and dents. For open-plan offices, soundproof flooring like carpet tiles or acoustic vinyl can help reduce noise levels, creating a more comfortable work environment. Consider eco-friendly flooring options if sustainability is a priority for your business. Many modern flooring choices include recycled materials or low-emission options that contribute to a healthier indoor air quality. Green building certifications like LEED recognize sustainable flooring choices, which can be a great way to enhance your company's environmental responsibility. In addition to material selection, flooring installation techniques play a crucial role in longevity. Proper subfloor preparation, moisture testing, and high-quality adhesives ensure that your flooring stays intact for years. Working with certified flooring experts can prevent costly issues like bubbling, lifting, or uneven surfaces. Beyond the technical aspects, consider how flooring can enhance employee well-being. Soft and ergonomic flooring solutions like carpet tiles and rubber flooring can reduce fatigue, especially in offices where employees spend long hours standing or walking. A well-designed office environment with comfortable flooring can boost morale and productivity. Choosing the right office flooring in Dubai is a game changer for aesthetics, comfort, and functionality. Whether you go for luxury vinyl tiles, carpet tiles, porcelain, engineered wood, polished concrete, or rubber flooring, make sure it fits your brand identity, budget, and practical needs. Want expert guidance on your office renovation? Book a free consultation with Renovation X today. The link is in the description and slots are filling up fast. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Renovation X, and turn on notifications so you never miss our expert insights on interior makeovers. Have a flooring experience to share? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video and happy renovating.